If your Steam Deck won't turn on, no screen, no sound, nothing, don't panic. In most cases, your Steam Deck is not broken, and you can fix this at home in just a few minutes. It's RomB360. Let me first give you some context. The Steam Deck's power issues usually come from one or three things: battery protection mode, a frozen firmware state, or a charging issue. So let's go through this step by step. Step 1 would be to force a full shutdown. Press and hold the power button for a full 12 to 15 seconds. Even if the screen is black, keep holding it. This forces the Steam Deck to fully shut down and clears temporary firmware lockups. A lot of people release the button too early, so don't do that. Count it out if you need to. Once you've held it for the full time, wait about 10 seconds. Then move to step 2. Charge it properly. First, plug in the official Steam Deck charger. Leave it connected for at least 15 minutes, even if nothing appears on screen. Some Steam Decks won't show the charging icon when the battery is fully drained. Just make sure you connect your charger directly into a wall outlet. And make sure the wall outlet is working properly by connecting a different device and see if that works or not. If not, make sure to use a different working wall outlet. If you're still facing the boot up issues, boot using the recovery shortcut. Just hold the volume up and power at the same time. Then release when you hear the fan or see the Steam logo. This confirms your Steam Deck is still receiving power and lets you access recovery options if needed. But if your Steam Deck still isn't working, check the charging LED by looking next to the USB-C port. A white or blinking LED means your Steam Deck is charging. If you have no light, this means your Steam Deck has a cable or charger issue. In that case, again, try a different USB-C cable, a different wall outlet, or another USB-C power adapter. As for some extra tips, once your Steam Deck turns back on, here are a few tips to prevent this from happening again. First, try not to let the battery drain to 0% regularly. Let it charge back up to 100% occasionally to keep the battery healthy. And avoid using low-quality USB-C cables, especially while gaming, as these small habits make a big difference long-term. And if your Steam Deck still does not power on, contact Valve to see if your device is still covered under warranty. But be aware, as you might need to send it in for repair. But if this video did fix your Steam Deck, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future Steam Deck videos. Then click right here to watch the next video. See you there!